I want to see if I'm hearing a knock, or I don't really know what knock sounds like, but it's been sitting a while trying to get it warmed up. Sounds like there's an engine that lower down there, almost like a wolf sound.